In this video, I'll show you how to add a field or a column in Airtable. Once you were on your Airtable account, the first step is to head over to your workspaces. So on the left-hand side, simply choose workspaces. Now, this will be the list of all of your workspaces. Now, within a workspace, what you need to do is simply head over to the base they want to work on. Let's say I want to do this on the employee workspace. So just simply click on that base. Now, within a base, as you can see here, we have a grid view. Within a grid view, you'll be able to see all of the fields. This is like an Excel table. But let's say I want to create a new table. I will start from scratch. And from here, I want to add a new field. So other than the primary field, we have here the rest of the fields. To add another field, head over to the very end of the table. Click on the plus sign. At the bottom, you can find a field type, or at the bottom, you can also choose from one of the standard fields. As you can see, there are a lot of fields in which you can choose from, and you can also add field agents that can analyze attachments, research companies, generate images, and generate content. These are all from AI. So let's say I want to add a rating. From here, I will just simply click on a field type. Now that will take you to this section where you need to add a field name. So let's say that this will be the status star. At the bottom, you can also rechange it if you did change your mind. On the style, you can change the style of the rating as well as set a maximum number for the stars. You can also add a description for this field, but it is optional. On the right-hand side, click on create. And once you do so, as you can see, we now have a new column and it is also a star field. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.